Hi guys, welcome to another video. We are going to be making baby angel wings, so if you want to watch it, stay tuned. First I started off with this boutique ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It is 2.5 inches and we are going to be making a bow for the wings. So one side of the ribbon measures 10.5 inches, so therefore you will need 21 inches of this ribbon. Now make sure you fold it in half and crease the line, that way you know where your midway point is going to be for your bow. Next you will take out this plastic wiring that it has inside. So now that you have your midway point, you are going to fold half of the exterior of the ribbon, making kind of like the shape of the bow. Then you're going to pinch down and kind of form like a zigzag where you're pinching. So it's going to go up and then back down and then up and then back down, making it crease. And once you have your crease, you're going to be using the same wire that you took out from your edges to wrap around and hold the bow in place. Once you finish wrapping it around, just make a little knot in the back, making sure it's secure and your ribbon or your bow's not gonna unwind itself. Next you want to fold and cut. It's kind of like forming a V at the bottom of your tails. This will just give you a cute looking bow, I think. You can kind of pair them together and just see that they're even length. Next you also want to just burn the edges, that way your ribbon won't fray. And that's how it should look. I also made a smaller one here. This one was 10.5 on one side and this one was 8, so 16 inches. One is going to measure 21 and the other one 16 inches. That's going to be for the headband. Now we will start with our wings. These wings were purchased from Amazon, and these little elastics are just for the baby to stick their arms in there. So I just hot glued the bow there in the center. Then you want to grab these Rosetties. They're made out of satin. And you can pretty much place them however you like, or whatever colors you want. I'll put a description down below of where you can get these. So I just put the pink one right above in the center of the bow. And the other two I just placed at the top, one on each side. Next I will add this embellishment in the center of the bow. And you can also add buttons as long as you add something there to cover up the wire that's putting or holding together the bow. So this is how the finished set of wings should look like. Simple and cute. Next, I will start off with a headband. You can grab any headband that you like and make sure that it's elastic and soft. That way it won't bother the baby's head. And you can add your bow. I'm going to be using this little bowl to help cool down my hot glue faster. So I add a little bit of hot glue, then stick it on the headband, and some of the hot glue will come out through the little holes of the headband. So if you place it on this like ceramic bowl, it will cool the hot glue faster. Now I will be using the same Rosetties as I used in the wings to make it like a set. So I'm just placing them the same way I arranged the Rosetties on the wings. A little bit of hot glue, and then place it where I want it. When gluing on your flowers, make sure you put glue at the bottom of the headband and on your Rosetti, so they will stick together as well. Once again, placing some hot glue on the two Rosetties and on your headband. And then using your bowl again to cool the hot glue faster. Then once again, using the same embellishment on your bow. So this is how your headband should look like. And it should match your wings. So this is a pretty cute set for like a photo shoot or newborn pictures or baptism pictures. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and if you are interested in more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.